fact, native plants provide food for wildlife and attract essential pollinators. But did you also know that certain native plants can be used to fend off a very invasive bug that PA is trying to fight? Here's Ed Russo.
This is overrun with the spotted lanternflies.
Red on black, friend of Jack, right? No, at least not here. This guy is no friend of Jack, and certainly no friend of PA agriculture. This is a wild grapevine which the lanternflies eat and destroy. This is why the bug is a big threat to vineyards. They have the potential to do great damage to the wine, beer, and fruit industry. Most of the lanternflies in central PA look like this right now. They're late nymph stage. Soon they will be full adults.
So the egg masses look like little scrapes of muddy, almost like a dirt dauber type color.
If you see the egg casings, scrape them off and dump the eggs in a bag with rubbing alcohol to exterminate. If you have the nymphs visible in your garden, try and plant milkweed.
In my own garden, what I'm noticing is if I see nymphs on common milkweed, they actually will eat it, not realizing it's poisonous, and they die.
Kill something invasive with something that's native. Imagine that. You can also kill the pest the old-fashioned way. It's called the Squish method. It's been around, well, forever. First step, take a deep breath. Lift your leg, maintain good balance, that's key, and squish. Just make sure it's a really good squish. There. You just made Pennsylvania a better place. There's also an app for this method called Squisher. Find a lanternfly, squish it, take a picture, and you score a point. Simple. Happy squishing. Ed Russo, CBS 21 News.